Can you see yourself in the 2020 Honda Accord? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's the Honda Accord, the iconic midsize sedan that sets the standard for others to follow. Its bold, powerful performance, comfortable ride, elegance of design, and state-of-the-art technology make it the clear choice. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, leather steering wheel, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel what it's like to drive a sweet dream come true. Test drive the Honda Accord.